Feeling stuck with a bedroom that's more cluttered than stylish? Don't worry, you don't need a total renovation to get a major upgrade. We're about to show you 30 cutting-edge wardrobe designs for 2025 that deliver a massive style boost while solving your biggest storage headaches. From maximizing tiny rooms to creating the luxury closet of your dreams, get ready for some serious inspiration. Solving the small space problem. Struggling with a small bedroom? It's a common frustration, but your wardrobe can be your secret weapon. Here are 10 designs that maximize every single inch. First up are seamless, handleless wardrobes. These designs sit flush against the wall, creating a clean, minimalist look that makes any room feel larger and more open. They're a magic trick for your floor plan. Next, we have the undisputed champion of space saving, floor-to-ceiling sliding doors. In 2025, these aren't just practical, they're a design statement. Designs 3 and 4 feature mirrored sliding doors, which bounce light around and double the visual space in a room, making them absolutely perfect for compact bedrooms. For those awkward, unused corners, designs 5 and 6 showcase brilliant L-shaped and compact corner wardrobes, turning dead space into powerhouse storage. To take things a step further, Design 7 introduces the Pulse System wardrobe. This minimalist, modular approach is perfect for an open, airy feel and can be customized to fit literally any nook. Designs 8 and 9 prove that you have to think vertically. Wall-mounted almirahs and above-bed shelving units free up precious floor space while keeping your essentials within reach. Finally, Design 10 is all about doing more with less. A sleek wardrobe with a built-in, pull-out desk. A perfect solution for a room that has to do it all. Curing the outdated style problem. If your wardrobe feels like a relic from the past, these next 10 designs will bring your room straight into 2025. It all starts with materials and color. Designs 11 and 12 showcase a huge trend, dark and moody wardrobes. Think deep forest greens, rich navy blues, and charcoal grays, often paired with natural wood for a sophisticated, high-drama feel. Designs 13 and 14 embrace bold two-tone combinations, like warm walnut paired with light ash, or gray with white, adding depth without overwhelming the space. Texture is everything in 2025. Design 15 features gorgeous fluted wood panels, while Design 16 uses tinted or frosted glass doors to add a touch of high-end mystery. And let's not forget the hardware. Designs 17 and 18 show how matte black or brushed gold handles can act like jewelry for your wardrobe, instantly elevating the entire look. A total game changer for modern style is integrated LED lighting. Designs 19 and 20 feature wardrobes with built-in light strips along the rails or under shelves. Not only does this look absolutely stunning, but it makes finding that one black sweater so much easier. It's that perfect blend of function and pure luxury. If you're loving these ideas and feeling inspired to transform your own space, do us a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. We have so much more home design content coming your way, and you won't want to miss our upcoming video on modern kitchen designs. Achieving ultimate organization. For those who dream of a perfectly organized, clutter-free space where everything has its place, these final 10 designs are for you. We'll start with the gold standard, bespoke, built-in wardrobes. Designs 21 and 22 are tailored to the exact dimensions of your room, eliminating wasted space and creating a seamless, high-end look. For true luxury, Design 23 introduces the walk-in closet with a central island, giving you extra drawer space and a surface for planning your outfits. But the real magic is on the inside. Designs 24 and 25 showcase customized internal organizers. Think pull-out trays for accessories, dedicated shoe shelves, and double hanging rods to maximize every inch of vertical space. Design 26 takes it up a notch with velvet-lined jewelry drawers and specific compartments for watches and ties, creating a boutique experience right in your home. Now let's talk tech. Welcome to the Smart Wardrobe. Design 27 features motion sensor LED lighting that turns on the moment you open the doors. Design 28 incorporates motorized clothing racks that bring those hard-to-reach items down to you with the push of a button. Some of these systems can even help you track your wardrobe inventory to prevent buying that fifth gray t-shirt. For the ultimate in luxury, Design 29 integrates climate control systems to regulate humidity, protecting delicate fabrics from damage, a must-have for high-end collections. And finally, Design 30 brings it all together with a glimpse into the future, the fully smart closet. These emerging systems feature integrated screens that can suggest outfits based on the weather, manage your inventory, and maybe even let you virtually try on clothes. So, as you can see, the right wardrobe is so much more than just storage. It's a transformative piece of furniture that can solve your biggest frustrations, redefine your bedroom style, and just make your daily routine feel a little more special. From simple space-saving hacks to high-tech luxury, the possibilities for 2025 are seriously inspiring. Which design was your favorite? The space-saving mirrored slider, the moody charcoal wood, or that futuristic smart closet? Let us know in the comments below. And for more home design inspiration, be sure to check out another one of our videos right here. Thanks for watching.